Hey everyone, welcome back to Fantastic. In this video, we'll count down the top 10 animals that will be extinct by the year 2050 if we don't take action. Stick around to learn about these amazing animals and what's happening to them. And remember, it's not too late to help. Starting off our list at number 10, we have the African forest elephant, which is a smaller, rare cousin of the more famous savanna elephant, and fewer than 100,000 are left. These elephants live in the dense forests of Central Africa, where they are facing serious threats from poachers who kill them for their ivory tusks. Illegal logging and farming are destroying the forest they depend on, leaving them with less space to roam and feed. Elephants help spread seeds and keep forests healthy, so losing them would hurt the entire ecosystem. If poaching and habitat destruction don't stop, the African forest elephant could vanish by 2050. At number 9, we have koalas that are one of Australia's most beloved animals, but they're in danger with around 100,000 left in the wild. These fairy creatures live in eucalyptus trees, which provide them with both food and shelter. Sadly, many of these trees are being cut down for farming and building, leaving koalas with fewer places to live. Bushfires, which are becoming more common due to climate change, have also destroyed large areas of their habitat. On top of that, diseases like chlamydia are spreading among koalas, making their future even more uncertain. Without serious protection, koalas could be extinct by 2050. Number 8 on our list are polar bears, who are the largest carnivores on land, but they are in serious danger because of climate change. There are only about 22,000 to 31,000 polar bears left in the wild. They rely on sea ice to hunt for seals, but as the Arctic ice melts, they have fewer places to find food. The shrinking ice forces them to swim long distances, which tires them out and makes it harder to survive. As global warming continues, polar bears are losing their hunting grounds, and if nothing changes, they could be gone by 2050. At number 7, we have the blue whale, which is the largest animal on Earth. Yet even these giants are at risk of extinction. Today, there are only about 10,000 to 25,000 blue whales left. In the past, they were hunted almost to extinction for their blubber, and while whaling has stopped, new dangers have taken its place. Pollution, ship collision, and climate change are all threatening their survival. Warmer oceans are also reducing the amount of krill, their main food source, making it harder for them to find enough to eat. Without more protection, these gentle giants could disappear from our oceans by 2050. Number 6 on our list is the African lion, often called the king of jungle, is facing many problems that are putting it at risk of extinction. There are only about 20,000 lions left in the wild today. As humans build more farms and cities, lions lose the wide open lands they need to hunt. Lions also come into conflict with people who protect their livestock, and some are hunted for trophies. All of this makes it harder for them to survive. Without serious efforts to protect their natural homes and reduce conflicts with people, lions could disappear from the wild. If you're finding this information important, please take a moment to hit that like button. Your support helps spread awareness about these amazing animals and their urgent need for protection. At number 5, we have the giant panda, which is one of the most loved animals in the world, but still in danger. There are only around 2,000 pandas left in the wild, living in bamboo forests in China. Their homes are being destroyed as forests are cut down for farming and construction. While conservation efforts have helped protect some of their habitat, climate change and human activities still pose serious threats to their future. Pandas rely on bamboo for food, and if their forests continue to shrink, they could face extinction by 2050, despite all the efforts to save them. Number 4 on our list is the Sunda tiger, which is only found on the island of Sumatra in Indonesia, and their numbers have dropped to fewer than 400. These tigers are in serious danger because their forest homes are being cut down to make space for palm oil plantations. This leaves them with no place to live or hunt. Poachers also hunt them for their body parts, which are sold illegally for use in traditional medicines. If we don't protect their homes and stop poaching, the Sunda tiger could be gone forever by 2050, leaving the world without this amazing predator. At number 3, we have the pygmy raccoon, which is a tiny raccoon that lives only on Cozumel Island in Mexico, and there are fewer than 200 of them left. Their island home is being damaged by tourism and development, which means they have fewer places to live. They also face competition from new animals brought to the island, which makes it harder for them to find food. With such a small population, they are at risk of disappearing from diseases or natural disasters. Number 2 on our list is the Amur leopard, which is one of the rarest big cats in the world, with fewer than 100 left in the wild. Found in the forests of Russia and China, these beautiful animals are famous for their striking fur, which sadly makes them a target for poachers. People hunt them illegally for their coats, and their homes are being destroyed as more trees are cut down for farming and building. On top of that, climate change is making it harder for them to find enough food to survive. With so few of them left, we need to act fast to save this incredible leopard before it's too late. Taking the top spot on our list is the Sumatran rhino, which is one of the most endangered animals on earth, with fewer than 80 left. These small hairy rhinos live in isolated parts of Indonesia. They are hunted for their horns, which are sold illegally for large sums of money. The forests they call home are being cut down for farming, leaving them with less space to live and fewer chances to meet and breed. Since they live so far apart, it's hard for them to have babies, which is why their numbers are shrinking fast. If we don't take action, the Sumatran rhino may not survive much longer. Now we want to hear from you. What's your favorite animal from this list? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more awesome content from Tentastic. Thanks for watching and see you next time.